Hello everyone, today we're gonna see next topic, which is differentiation of inverse functions. So we got the first question here. So how I substitute this is an important model. So how I do it is first we differentiate with respect to f with respect to x, we get f inverse x, 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Now we can take g of x is equal to f inverse of x, because they are asking this, right? Take it g of x, and now we'll keep f of x value, we can keep our f of x, and only we'll be able to simplify. F inverse of f of x is x, like that we can simplify. Okay, then it will become equal to x, right? This part will become equal to f if it's f of x, it will become x. So next what we do is differentiating. G inverse of f of x is equal to 1, right? X, we're differentiating 1. In f of x into f inverse of x, right? Inside of the differentiator then. Now what value of this is 6. Now what value of x will get 6 out of c, because we took f of x, right? In this you have to see x is equal to f of x we took. So here 1 means that 1 minus 1 plus 1, which get 1 is not equal to 6. Next 2, 8 minus 4 plus 2, 8 minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yeah, then you can take 2. Now substitute value 2. G inverse of 2 is into f inverse of 2. F inverse of 2 we substitute here 2. 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 1, 12 minus this 8 plus 1, we get 9. So G inverse of 2 into 9 is equal to 1. G inverse of 6, right? Inside value is 6 into 9 is equal to 1. Then G inverse of 6, that's what they're asking. X is equal to 6, x is equal to 6, right? Is equal to 1 by 9. So that's the answer for this question. And now let's go on to the next question. Remember, this question is an important model. So now we're in the next question. G is inverse of x. What does that mean? G of x is equal to f inverse of x. Okay, and f of x they given. They're asking g of x, g inverse of x. So what do we do? We will apply f of 1 both side. Why f of? Because inside will differentiate again, right? That's why f g of x is equal to x, right? Now we're differentiating. F inverse of g of x into g inverse of x is equal to 1. Now f inverse of g of what 1 by 1 plus g of x. This is cube or square cube. So get g inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus g of x whole cube. It will come into which is equal to 1 plus g of x whole cube. This g of x cube, not whole. And that is the answer for this question. Now let's move on to the next question, where we will find differential coefficient. Now let's do the third question. Find the differential coefficient of y is equal to cosecant so 2x at x is equal to 1. First, let's differentiate respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, let's say, cosecant x formula. What formula is minus 1 by here minus 2 to take by 2x to root of minus 1 mod x into root over x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now it's asking the coefficient, so we don't need to differentiate it inside, I guess. So it is equal to minus 2 by mod 2x to 4x square minus 1. Now we are given x is equal to 1. Substitute a value which is equal to minus 2 by 2 or minus 1 they given. So 2 into 4 minus 1 3 into root 3, which is equal to minus 2 by 2 root 3. And now we'll cancel these two. It's equal to minus 1 by root 3. So that's the answer for this question. And now let's move on to the final question. Now we're on the last question. Find differential coefficient of y is equal to. Okay, we're gonna do this question. It's asking differential coefficient. So now we're gonna use cos x formula, but y is equal to tan inverse of cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is cos x formula by 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, right? Whole square plus sin x by whole square. Now we're gonna go and do the next step, which is equal to, we'll just tan inverse, we'll just take afterwards we'll see, because I don't think we have enough space on the board. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Square and this get cancelled, which is equal to what? You divide with cos, this will become 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. This is what formula? Can you guess? Tan a minus b formula we use. A is here pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 1. So which is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now we get what? Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now if you differentiate, means what you get? You get minus 1 by 2, right? X. So only take minus 1 by 2. That's it. So that's it for differentiation of inverse function. Next video, let's see about parametric functions. So thank you. Bye.